Today, we are venturing into the profound teachings of a literary giant in the realm of success, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. Far beyond a mere guide to financial prosperity, this book delves into the intricate workings of the mind, the indispensable role of unwavering desire, and the foundational principles that serve as a roadmap to achieving any aspiration. Prepare to have your preconceived notions about success challenged as we unravel the 13 pivotal steps that can unlock your inherent potential. Let's embark on this enlightening journey. Introduction: The spark of an idea. The remarkable story behind Think and Grow Rich began with a compelling proposition. Andrew Carnegie, the titan of the steel industry and one of the wealthiest individuals of his era, presented a young journalist named Napoleon Hill with an extraordinary task: to interview over 500 accomplished individuals and distill their collective wisdom into a cohesive philosophy of success. Hill dedicated more than 2 decades to this monumental undertaking, engaging with luminaries such as Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Alexander Graham Bell. The culmination of this extensive research was Think and Grow Rich, a book that has since become a cornerstone of personal development and financial empowerment. The 13 Steps to Riches, a glimpse. Through his meticulous research, Hill identified 13 core principles that consistently emerged in the lives of those who attained significant wealth and success. These are not mere suggestions or fleeting techniques. They are fundamental laws of achievement that, when comprehended and diligently applied, possess the power to reshape your life. We will delve into each of these steps with thoroughness, illustrating how you can seamlessly integrate them into your own pursuit of your goals. Step 1. Desire, the inciting force of all accomplishment. The path toward riches, or any noteworthy achievement, commences with a fervent desire. Hill underscores that this is not a superficial wish or a fleeting hope. Rather, it is a potent, unyielding yearning that propels you to take decisive action. He outlines 6 specific steps for transmuting desire into its tangible or monetary equivalent. Precisely define in your mind the exact sum of money you desire. Determine precisely what you are willing to give in return for the money you desire. Establish a definite date by which you intend to possess the money you desire. Formulate a concrete plan for realizing your desire, and initiate action immediately, regardless of whether you feel fully prepared. Compose a clear, concise statement outlining the amount of money you intend to acquire, the specific time frame for its acquisition, what you intend to give in exchange, and a detailed description of the plan through which you will accumulate it. Read this written statement aloud twice daily, once immediately before retiring for the night, and once upon awakening in the morning. As you read, vividly see, feel, and believe yourself to be already in possession of the money. Step 2. Faith, visualizing and believing in the realization of desire. Desire, in isolation, is insufficient. You must possess unwavering faith in your capacity to achieve your objective. Hill describes faith as a mental state that can be cultivated through autosuggestion or self-suggestion. He emphasizes the critical role of positive affirmations and vividly imagining yourself already having attained your desired outcome. This process instills a powerful belief within your subconscious mind, which then actively works to manifest your desires into reality. Step 3. Autosuggestion, the conduit to influencing the subconscious mind. Autosuggestion is the practice of consistently imbuing your subconscious mind with thoughts and mental images that reinforce your aspirations. By repeatedly reciting affirmations and visualizing your success, you effectively program your subconscious to align with your goals. Hill highlights the significance of imbuing your affirmations with emotion, genuinely feeling the exhilaration and gratitude of already having achieved your desires. Step 4. Specialized knowledge, insights from personal experience and observation. While a broad base of general knowledge is beneficial, specialized knowledge is indispensable for achieving success in a particular field. Hill draws a distinction between knowledge and intelligence, asserting that knowledge only becomes potent when it is organized and directed intelligently. He encourages readers to acquire the specific knowledge relevant to their chosen path, and to engage in continuous learning and updating of their knowledge base. Step 5. Imagination, the mind's creative workshop. Imagination is the remarkable ability to conjure mental representations of things that do not yet exist in the physical realm. Hill identifies 2 primary forms of imagination: synthetic imagination, which involves rearranging existing ideas and concepts, and creative imagination, which serves as the wellspring of entirely new insights. He underscores the importance of cultivating both forms of imagination to generate innovative solutions and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Step 6. Organized planning, transforming desire into concrete action. Desire, faith, and imagination must be translated into tangible plans of action. Hill stresses the significance of forming a mastermind group, a collaborative alliance of individuals working harmoniously toward a shared objective. He outlines specific steps for developing effective plans, including seeking expert advice, engaging in brainstorming sessions, and maintaining adaptability in the face of evolving circumstances. Step 7. Decision Mastering the Art of Overcoming Procrastination. Successful individuals are characterized by their ability to make decisions swiftly and alter them deliberately and infrequently, if at all. Hill contrasts this decisive approach with the debilitating habit of procrastination, which he identifies as a significant impediment to success. He urges readers to cultivate decisiveness, to meticulously gather relevant information, arrive at a firm decision, and then adhere to it with conviction. Step 8. Persistence, the unwavering effort essential for cultivating faith. Persistence is the unwavering resolve to execute your plan relentlessly, despite encountering obstacles and setbacks along the way. Hill emphasizes that persistence is often the pivotal factor that distinguishes those who ultimately succeed from those who ultimately falter. He outlines practical strategies for developing persistence, including having a clearly defined purpose, a compelling desire, and a meticulously crafted plan. Steps 9 to 13, the mastermind, the mystery of sex transmutation, the subconscious mind, the brain, the sixth sense. Step 9, the power of the mastermind. Collaboration and synergy amplify individual efforts, creating a collective intelligence that surpasses the sum of its parts. Step 10. The mystery of sex transmutation, channeling the potent energy of sexual desire into creative and productive pursuits, unlocking a powerful source of motivation. Step 11. The subconscious mind, serving as the crucial link between conscious thought and tangible action, the fertile ground where seeds of desire are nurtured into reality. Step 12. The brain, understanding the remarkable power of thought vibrations and how to harness their energy to attract desired outcomes. Step 13. The sixth sense, tapping into the realm of intuition, inspiration, and a deeper level of understanding that guides you toward your goals. The 6 ghosts of fear. Hill identifies 6 fundamental fears that commonly hold individuals back from realizing their full potential: the fear of poverty, the fear of criticism, the fear of ill health, the fear of loss of love, the fear of old age, and the fear of death. He underscores the critical importance of recognizing and actively conquering these pervasive fears to unlock your inherent capabilities and pave the way for success. Think and Grow Rich stands as an enduring guide to achieving success in all facets of life. By internalizing and diligently applying the 13 principles elucidated by Napoleon Hill, you can unlock your latent potential, surmount obstacles with resilience, and ultimately achieve your most ambitious dreams. We wholeheartedly recommend immersing yourself in the full text of this transformative book to gain a more profound understanding of these life-altering principles. Thank you for tuning in to the Book MBA channel. If you found this summary insightful and valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more in-depth explorations of impactful books. We'd love to hear your key takeaways from Think and Grow Rich. Share your thoughts and insights in the comment section below. Until our next literary exploration, keep thinking expansively, keep growing continuously, and keep striving with unwavering determination towards your dreams.